Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Bald Head Duppy. Full story. One day, a group of children were walking home from Old Harbor Primary School. They always walked through the Claremont housing scheme because it was a shortcut to their granny's house. They were walking on a particular street that they called Big Hill when they all saw a bald-head man wearing a rasta bead chain, a white shirt and black shorts sitting on a veranda. They passed and did not think it was anything because it wasn't anything out of the ordinary. About 3 houses up the street, they saw the exact same man with the bald head, rasta bead chain, a white shirt and black shorts. They started to panic and wondered if they were seeing right. They all looked back to the first house and saw that the man was still sitting there with the same face and everything. As realization set in, they started running up the hill. Another 4 houses up the street, they slowed down to catch their breaths and saw the exact same bald-head man wearing a rasta bead chain, a white shirt and black shorts in the yard, but this time he was standing. They ran and screamed until they were off the street. They didn't see triplets because that man did not live in any of the yards where he was seen, and no one had ever seen him before.
Like and follow for more.